Hey Amazon sellers, in this video I'm going to explain you exactly step by step the most powerful Amazon strategies that you can use in the year 2022 that can help you get massive amount of sales right from the start. So without wasting much time, let's get started.
Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to explain you the top Amazon strategies that you have to use in the year 2022. So the top strategies are going to be these campaigns. I'm going to show you the strategies along with that. So the first one is auto campaigns, how to there are different types of auto campaigns that has been released by Amazon and how to exactly use it. Display campaigns, the manual campaigns and the video campaigns. And when you do all these things that I'm going to teach you, it is going to help you explode your business like crazy. Now, in this video, I'm going to only explain you the auto campaign, like how to set up the auto campaigns for 2022 and what kind of strategy to use, some of the results that it has got. And then in the next video, I'm going to discuss about display campaign and then manual campaigns and the video campaigns. So it's going to be a 4-part series. This is the part 1. So first, let me go to this campaign. Okay. And let me go to sponsor products. And first is, let me just go and show you. Let me just select any product. Okay. So right now, if you see this campaign, okay, we are going to create a automatic campaign. So first you have to understand that the Amazon has almost 4 types of auto campaigns. Now each of them is different. A lot of times what happened was a lot of sellers just launch an auto campaigns without even knowing that there are 4 different types of auto campaigns that are actually released by Amazon, and everyone plays a different role. So the first strategy is to create 2 auto campaigns. In 2 auto campaigns, we are going to merge close match and lose match in one campaign and substitutes and complementary in another campaign. Now, the idea is the close match and the lose match, they both target only keywords. They don't target anything else. They only target keyword. Close match and lose match, they both target keywords. And when we club them in one campaign, we are going to find only keywords which are going to convert into a sale, and we can actually let them run over and over again. So first strategy is to create one auto campaign with, so to create auto campaigns. With one auto campaign, create only lose match and close match, and you're going to select whichever is the lower suggested bid. So you're going to start with 0.14 and also have a 0.14 over here as well. And then what you can do is you can just go and launch the campaign. That's like the first auto campaign that you are going to create. Now the close match is very simple. It will target only closely related products. For example, if you are having a Doppler 400 count cotton sheet, your ads will show up on cotton sheets when somebody types the word cotton sheets, or when somebody types the word 400 count cotton sheets. In the loose match, the same term, your ads are going to be triggered for loosely related terms like bed sheets, bath sheets, or bath towels, which are not exactly the same but somewhat related to the same. But both of them are going to target the keyword. Now, let me give you an example to make you understand. If you see right now, this is the campaign, this is the auto campaign that we are running, and right now if I go into the search results, these all are only keywords that they are targeting. So this auto campaign is only targeting a loose match, you can see over here, and the search terms have all the keywords inside that. So that's like a loose match which only targets the keyword. On the other hand, if I show you a substitute campaign, you can see over here substitutes campaign, they are only targeting the asins. They will not target any keyword, they only target the asins. Hence we are going to create a campaign with both. We will have auto campaigns where we are going to have 2 auto campaigns. One will have close match, and lose match. So, and then another will be substitutes and complementary. So when you create auto campaigns, you have to pause substitutes and complementary when you're creating for lose and close. For substitutes and complementary, then you have to close and lose, you have to pause. For example, it's very simple. Let me just create a simple over here. So when you're creating, let's say you're creating a close match and lose match, you'll pause substitutes and complementary. Let's say now in the second campaign, when you're creating substitutes and complementary, you pause these both. And how much to bid? I always bid whichever is lower in the thing, which is 0.63 and 0.63, right? And let me just show you the amazing results that this has produced for the strategy has produced. In the last 30 days, if you see, we have generated almost 59 or $60 in sales with just one campaign using this strategy at 9.59% ACUS, which is really, really profitable and amazing. I hope you have understood exactly how to launch your auto campaigns in the year 2022. In next videos, we are going to discuss about display campaigns, manual campaigns, and video campaigns. Do implement that and let me know in the comments what are the results, or if you have any other questions, do let me know in the comments. And if you're interested, you can always go and click on the description and join our 3-day challenge where we actually help you increase your sales on Amazon.
I hope you have got immense value from all the strategies that I've shared you that you can actually use and implement from 2022 and get insane amount of sales. Now, if you want to learn more about Amazon advertising, we do a 3-day challenge. You can check out the link in the description and see if it excites you. You can join in. Now, if you really like this video, I want you to give me a thumbs up and subscribe the channel if you're new on the channel. Until then, keep selling and keep crushing. I'll see you in the next video.